Hello dear student, this is R.K. Gangwar. You are watching physics classes and today we are going to discuss about the work done by a variable force. Okay, so let us see. The topic is work done by a variable force. Variable force. पिछले वीडियो में आपने पढ़ा था कि वर्क डन डिटरमाइन करते हैं व्हेन वी अप्लाई द फोर्स ऑन एनी बॉडी. द बॉडी डिस्प्लेसेस सम डिस्टेंस एंड द वर्क हैज टू बी डन बाय दैट फोर्स विच इज इक्वल टू W इज इक्वल टू यानी वर्क इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. So to be determine the work done by a variable force, suppose we take the displacement covered by a body along x-axis and the force is acting on the body in a fixed direction which is along y-axis. So this is the position of the body along x-axis and the force is along y-axis. This is the origin. Suppose the force is acting on a body and the initial position of this body is x1 from the origin and the force is acting and change from A to B. From the initial position x1 to final position x2. Okay, so this graph will be there A to B. The force does change. By this variation of the force, the body will change its position from x1 to x2 along x-axis, which is denoted by the points C and D. Okay, so to be determined the work done, we know that the work is equal to force into displacement. So if we calculate the work, how can we calculate the work done from A to B? Okay, so the method to determine the work done, first we calculate the area of the closed surface, bounded region. ओके, सो AB के द्वारा जो बाउंड्री रीजन है उसका एरिया हम डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. इट मींस ABCD, एरिया ऑफ ABCD इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन ऑफ द, इट मींस वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ABCD. ओके, एंड इन द कैलकुलस मेथड द to determine the work done in the whole region, so we can divide this portion into the small part of that portion. Okay, so first we take the small region. This is the small region, so this is the displacement dx and the force is changed from this to this. So the work done for this small displacement we can write dw is equal to f dot dx. So now the total work done can be determined by this relation if we integrate the initial position x1 to final position x2. Okay, so this is the formula to determine the work done by the integral method. Okay, thank you, student.